Alright, so you'll have to excuse my coughing and gagging if I'm doing that on the video. I still got that cold in my chest. It hasn't gone yet. It's slowly improving every day. I think I'm going to be done with it here in the next week, hopefully. I've had it for about a week now. A week and a half. I don't know. Nights are worse. Nighttime's worse. But it's just something that the body and the immune system has to get rid of. Medication, fuck, I don't like taking a bunch of flipping medication. You know, I was taking Tylenol, cold and sinus, but that's only at night mostly because at night it's such a discomfort to sleep. So I just take a couple before I go to bed. Helps me sleep a bit better. My wife was working the night shift and has been for a little bit, and that's working out okay. I just miss having her home at night. You know, night times was our time, really. I mean, she falls asleep on the couch mostly. I mean, we're old. We fall asleep watching TV. But yeah, so I miss having her home. It doesn't matter. We usually watch movies or do something, you know, in the night, in the evenings. But she's only doing this for a couple of weeks. Then she'll be done. This is just a chatting video, by the way. It's not, I'm not going to be sharing anything like a word study or nothing like that. I do my word studies at home. I hope you liked the last word study. These are put together with as much care as I can do with what God has given me to do. You know, I have a little bit of a tough time with the small lettering in the back of the keyword concordance, but that's the whole purpose of it, is to bring the words out so you can understand them a bit better and hear the scripture that I'm bringing you. Excuse me on that one. But the roads, they still haven't cleared up yet from the last blast of snow. It gets cold overnight, so the snow stays. It doesn't melt. We're almost out of March into April. We're actually into spring, according to what it says, but this is spring. So it's been a really tough month. Financially for me, yes. I'm hanging on by a thread, like a real thread. And that's what it seems like every month, to come up with paying my monthly bills. So this job, this delivery job, doesn't pay enough. I mean, look at the gas prices. They're just skyrocketing. Gas is just ridiculous. And they don't give you extra. They don't give you extra for this delivery. You know, once in a while they'll throw in $1 extra, only if there's a storm or something like that. But no extra for the gas prices, which is really bad. Because I gotta get gas every day, so my gas every day is costing me a lot more than I normally paid before. So the conflict over there is just causing mega gas price hike. Oil and gas, whatever. But it's rough. It's hard for me, being that I drive a vehicle and need gas. But anyway, I'm plugging along and God keeps me going at this job. And as long as I have it, this is the ways and means of my survival. I do appreciate any kind of support I get from you. And like I said, that PayPal link is under the Show More section. If you'd like to send support, you can. It's there, and it's appreciated so much. I can't even explain in words how much it is appreciated for me to survive this eon. But like I said, God keeps me going, and I'm going to continue the word studies. I don't have a heck of a lot to say today. I'm still sick, so hopefully this will be gone soon. which will be fabulous. And I'll be able to get in my backyard in the mornings and be able to give you some word studies from my backyard. Grace and peace.